Alright, what's up guys? This is Alex from Twins Garage. Flip it around and show yourself.
Well,
and that is Aaron. Alright, so I don't know if he showed it in the last video, I don't remember. But I we'll just tack welded this piece on right here and right here. And then this week I'm going to do the bottom, get that on, and I think after that then we'll probably do the headlight area and call her good. They don't really have to be that good. I mean, it's only Aaron driving the car. Alright, so it might take a minute. So I got the gas on.
got it on this time for sure?
The last time you set it all up for me.
Yeah, right.
Alright, how does this go over here? Like that?
Sure, don't do it yet, then. Close enough to bring her.
Don't. Ow! Don't keep that in there. Yes.
It's too late.
Don't.
We're definitely keeping it.
I don't even remember. So this was basically turned, it was on, but it was like that, and I was barely getting any gas. So I turned it all the way on, and it was welding so much better, but I was already done by then. Yeah. It looks like balls. So we still have to do around the headlights and cut all that out, which Aaron's gonna have to grind all that, and so I can weld on it better, because he didn't grind anything, which is the only thing I want him to do was grind, because I hate grinding. So we got that much done. Hopefully Aaron will this week get the subframe out.
No, it's fine. RX7.
Huh?
Filming.
And this one's got the engine. 1280.
Oh, jeez. This one I remember the sunroof's open. Oh, that one is terrible.
I wish mine had a sunroof. There might be shit living in there.
We are here at the RX7. Gonna try starting it up.
He's on the roof. Try to get gas. Before you do anything, press the gas real quick. I want to see if it moves.
Good God.
Hey, let me grab my phone. Hold on. Hold on, load off it.
Okay. Look at this perfect uncracked dash. Alex has torn a lot out of here. Just gotta get that hole fixed. But else he's gonna be Fred Flintstoning this car.
Alright, we're gonna try to start the RX7. Aaron's in the car and all that. Alright, ready when you are. Give us some gas. Damn it, the battery's getting weak. Alright, we're gonna try a little bit of starting fluid on it. Ooh, it's smoking. Oh, like I figured, he's not getting any gas. So, at least it runs. Alright, so, at least it runs. It was smoking really bad though. It's just not getting fuel. So I think I'm gonna have to double check, make sure the fuel lines are on there right and I don't have them backwards, the return line. And if that's not it, I'm gonna have to check, which I don't think that is, but it might be. But if that's not it, I'm gonna have to make sure that the filter is not on backwards. Maybe it's not allowing it to flow. 10. All right, we're gonna start it now. without the starting fluid. Try to do it. I had the lines backwards. Give it gas. Yeah. Hell yeah. Alright. So now I gotta go get more gas so we can roll it on out of here. We'll try to see if we can roll it on its own power.
I want to get it running steady before I try to vacuum it out.
Screw you, you're no fun. Well, gonna give up for the day, but we did get
The fuel lines figured out. They were run backwards, and we got it to start, but it just keeps dying out. So
usually if I just keep giving it a gas, it'll stay running.
the choke's bad, so we can't choke it. So that's probably the reason why it keeps stalling out.
Yeah, once it's warm, it'll keep running.
Alright guys, so Alex is gonna head out.
This will probably not be the end of the video. Aaron's gonna record some more and add it to this video, but when you're seeing this, it's definitely gonna be the end of the video.
Okay, I guess
I got an hour and a half to go.
I guess I'm gonna add this to the end of the video. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Peace.